Hi, my name is Sascha. I am working for the SHS group. There I'm responsible in the procurement department for general commodities, and there I have the team lead. Dominated issue in our group is actually the decarbonization of the steel production. We have the aim that we reduce the CO2 emissions about 4 million tons, and to achieve this we have to invest in new production facilities with an invest of 3.5 billion euros, and this is a big issue for us, and also this affects our purchasing strategies. And there are other issues this affect our sourcing strategies, for example raw material prices or the general economic development, because the steel demand is directly inflected by the economic global development. I love procurement because I have the chance there to give our company something that they achieve and can do directly strong influence for us, and it's an honor for me to be in our company to improve our capital.